Is your Google Chrome running slow? So I've got this covered, but here are some of the tricks that you can use to make your Google Chrome faster again. So firstly, open up your Google Chrome and go to extensions bar, and from here, remove any unwanted extensions that you have on your Google Chrome. If you got tons and tons of extensions that you're not using currently and you have stopped using, I suggest you in clearing out those extensions first. And after that, you can go to settings, go to system, and enable use hardware acceleration when available, and relaunch your Google Chrome again. But if this does not help, you can reset settings, and also you can clear cache, and sometimes opening too many tabs can make your Chrome slow. So make sure that you open the exact number of tabs that you want to work with, or you can use some of the command prompts to make your internet and Google Chrome both faster. Go to Windows and type command prompt and run as administrator, and from here type net-admin space winsoft space recent, and after this IP config space /plus DNS and restart your computer. So these are some of the tips and tricks that I have for you to make your Google Chrome faster. If you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.